Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset on your Nintendo Switch. To do this, you need to go to Options, scroll all the way down, find System, then go again to the next page and then scroll down again to the end and go to Formatting Options. And from here you'll find the setting called Restore Factory Settings. We press on it. It will inform you that everything on the device will be deleted and everything that's not saved in the cloud will be removed. So we're gonna do that. Next, it will connect to internet. And once the console has been restarted to factory settings, the deleted data cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to continue? This will take some time to complete. Restore factory settings. Now we need to wait till it actually loads up everything and deletes everything from the device. Okay, so now that it's finished, our device should be empty of everything and would be like factory new. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.